How to fix OBS black screen display capture. As I've noticed by reading comments on the internet, many people have a problem because OBS records only black screen, and today I'm going to show you one of the possible solutions that worked for me when I had the same problem. So let's start. First of all, we're going to move our mouse down here. I'm going to show you two ways of getting to the settings that we need to open. So the first way would be to click down here and then type graphics settings. And as you can see, when I started typing graphics settings, it already found it here. So we click on it and it opens settings like this. So this is the first way of getting here. The second way would be simply to clicking on the start button and opening settings over here. Once the settings open, we click on System, and after we click on System, under Display we scroll down to the bottom and we choose the last option that says Graphic Settings. And over here, as you can see, I've added OBS Studio. In order to add it over here, we need to choose here a desktop app, then we hit Browse, and then we need to locate where our OBS is installed. Most likely it will be installed in this PC, then C drive, program files, then we need to find OBS Studio, and then we need to go to a folder called bin, 64-bit or 32-bit, depends what version did you install, and then over here we've got OBS 64, this is the one that worked for me. You need to click on it and then add. I already added it here, as you can see. And then the second thing we need to do with it, once we add it, we need to click on it one time. As you can see, this is the path to this for me. We click on Options, and then over here, most likely you will have this option selected. So most likely you've got more than one graphics card over here, and in order for OBS Studio to work, I would recommend choosing power saving part. Once we click on this one, we click Save. And right now OBS Studio should start working. Of course, all of the things that I showed you, you need to do this when OBS Studio is not turned on. Make sure OBS Studio is off when you're doing this. Then hit on Options, choose Power Saving. Then after you do this and click Save, open OBS Studio and check if this works. If it doesn't work, try also High Performance. Maybe instead of Power Saving, High Performance will work for you. Test out two options, but I'm pretty sure that power saving should solve your problem. So once you set it up, open OBS Studio, check if it records properly, and please let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, if you managed to solve black screen in OBS following the instructions of this video, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!